Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a clear jelly stamper haul. I just opened the package because my address is on the other side, so you know. But I haven't even opened everything. So excited. So I ordered an extra bling stamper because I can never have too many of these. I have one big bling and then I have one smaller one, and I just wanted an extra one just in case. And then, oh yeah, I got a bunch of polishes. Okay. Like a lot of polishes. Oh, is this the neon? This must be the neon, because I had to pick up the neon collection for obvious reasons. Ooh, fancy. Oh, look at that. Look at how satisfying that is. This is so nice. I actually even like the little box it comes in. So we have a neon 1. I bet you're gonna know this order. At least I'm assuming that's this order. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I like all of them. Can't wait to use them. And then I picked up a ton of these bad boys. So let me go ahead and open them real quick, okay? All right, I picked up some goodies, okay? Let's bring in, I actually have another haul with a whole bunch of other polish as well. So I figured this would be a good addition to it. I really probably should swatch these, but this is 73. It's a nice sky blue. I really liked this one. And what I'm doing, this is 77, as I'm filling in gaps that I have of the polish. This is a silver. This is a beautiful silver. And that's 4. We have 3, which is that gold. That's really pretty. 92, which is kind of like a gunmetal. I did do some shimmers and some matte, or I should say like flat. This is 42. This is like a gray purple. Really, really pretty. But I had holidays in mind. This is 33 because, I mean, the holidays are coming up. And I wanted some actually brown kind of neutral colors. This is 56. So this is a really unique color. It's like a bronzy, but it has like kind of like a pink undertone, like a duochrome kind of effect. 36, really pretty blue. 38, do you see a pattern here? I picked up some greens, probably because of my fail green and or white flower tutorial. I only had a couple greens. Oh, I like this one. This is 96. This is like an orangey kind of red. Oh no, this is like red. This actually, I have a tutorial planned, but like, that is real red. Haha, get it? Because that's the name of this buttercream. I mean, if you're going to do stamping and you want to match, real red buttercream matches 96. And then I have 60 here. I'm thinking of doing like an animal set, so I kind of wanted some brownie type colors. And then we have 91. And then the actual reason I bought. So I would have gotten bigger sizes in these, but this is what they had. So this is Sticky Polish 1 and 2. So I don't know, Can you see the size difference? That's an interesting size difference. I don't think I've ever noticed that. Are there different sizes? No, I think that white one's just really, I have another white one. Yeah, I got two. Yeah, it's just that specific white one. So I got these because if you followed me in my other foil haul that I tried to use the Moira stamping polish and it just didn't work for me. Chromes it works, but as far as like foil goes, it doesn't work. The interesting thing about Moira's is it has a little ball in it. These don't have balls. That sounds terrible. We'll do some leaves. And I have this foil. I have a whole bunch of foil, so we'll try different ones. This brush has seen better days. I don't know if it's because it's too small, so it like pushed up, but I don't really care since I'm not painting my nails, but it's kind of funny. I don't know if it's like actually glue or something and that's why it's like that. All right, so now I am supposed to wait 30 seconds. All right, let's give it a try. Didn't work, just like the Moira one. Let's keep trying. We'll try a different thing. Let's try 01, which is the black one. I mean, is it me? I mean, it could well be me. Let's try a different type of foil, because this is, I mean, most foil's from AliExpress anyway, but we'll grab some of this foil. This one's sticking out. Go back to the white. It stamps beautifully. There we go. I don't know if you can see that. Much better. That's why I tried different foils, because this guy did not work. This probably needs like actual foil glue. Let's try the skinnier image. Didn't pick up at all. Not the best image. Nice there. Thinner designs are going to dry much quicker. That actually worked better than I expected. So what did transfer was down on there. That's not showing, I'm sorry. And I've destroyed this nail. This nail I was just doing a bunch of stuff on, so. Let's try a different plate. I actually think I used this last time. Bam. Again, smaller images are not going to take that long to dry. Well, I might suggest if you're doing color to do color, top coat it, and then come in and do your foil color, because that didn't work even remotely. Now that one worked much better. So it makes me think that maybe the red for the heart wasn't dry. Let's see if I can get you. Ignore what's going on with this nail. I probably should have fixed it before demoing this. But how cute is that? All right, next we're gonna do pigments. I only have these neon pigments. I know a lot of people have like chromes and all that stuff. I don't really have colorful ones, so I figured I would go ahead and do that. So what I'm gonna do, so this is a crappy old head. So this was my original one that I was using acetone to clean it. And I think this is important to have a dirty head for your stamper, and just grab a little bit of a makeup applicator and just apply it on the stamper where you're going to stamp. Okay, give that a second. And I kind of got it a little bit. You wouldn't be able to tell what that says because it wasn't that crisp, but I think that was my fault. I waited too long. That didn't work out very well. Now that is what I'm talking about. Ta-da! Nope, I wasn't even in frame, I'm sorry. I mean, you're gonna see the black shadow because again, I don't have top coat on, but let's see. But look at how well that transferred. To me, personally, I think pigments are where you should go with this. The foil is hit or miss. Pigments are the way to go. Ooh, I lied. I do have pigments. I forgot I bought these. Look at that. I'll link these on Amazon. I got these off Amazon. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Okay, you're definitely, with this specific one, you're definitely going to want a fluffy brush. This is the Fluff Daddy. Look at that. I don't know if you can read it, but I don't care. This is life-changing. The white seems to be working a little better for me than the black. And this nail was not prepped, so it's that glitter is probably hanging on to pieces that I didn't prep. Oh my God. Yes, absolutely yes. All right, so that's my haul and demo. These are awesome. I'm not convinced with foil. I know they're like literally for foil. I think your best bet for consistency would be a chrome or a pigment. Just like the Moira did not really work well with foil, even though I tried a couple different ones. I felt like I got a good enough one with this foil, which is, there's like two different foils. There's this one that's long and forever, and then there's this one that's wide and short. So I don't think it's any different than the Moira's as far as it goes with these. It comes in black and white Moira. These are also black and white. I don't know if they're gonna come out with any colors. So the black is 1 and the white is 2, and I'm excited for them. I'm definitely going to incorporate them because look at that. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.